Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer USDT from Bitmart to Trust Wallet. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your Bitmart application. Once you have logged into your Bitmart account, after that you just need to simply tap on the Assets tab at the bottom right corner. After that, click on the spot at the top and here you will find withdraw button, so simply tap on this withdraw. After that, in the search bar, search for USDT and select Tether at the top. Here you will need to select the withdrawal method, so simply tap on the send via crypto network. You will be landed on this withdraw USDT page. Here you will need the depositing address, selection of network and the amount of USDT you are transferring into your Trust Wallet. In order to get the address, you have to minimize your Bitmart and open your Trust Wallet application. Once you have opened your Trust Wallet application, now in order to get the USDT address, simply tap on the manage crypto button at the bottom and in the search bar simply search USDT. After searching, you will find USDT at the top. So I'm selecting here USDT on Ethereum network. So simply toggle this button and click on this USDT Tether on Ethereum network. After that, simply tap on the receive button at the bottom. And here you can see your USDT Ethereum network wallet address along with the QR code. Simply copy this address and after copying, reopen Bitmart and paste this address in the address bar. After pasting, select a network Ethereum ERC20 here. Always make sure to select same network on both sides or you will lose your funds. Now click on confirm. After that, enter the amount of USDT you are transferring into Trust Wallet. Once you filled all this information, simply click on the withdraw button at the bottom right corner. It will take up to 5 to 10 minutes to transfer your USDT from Bitmart to Trust Wallet. And that's how you can transfer USDT from Bitmart to Trust Wallet.
If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.